Hello students, good morning. How are you today? How are you grade 5? Are you doing good? Are you still okay? So I hope you are doing good right now. Though the weather is very cold, I hope you make yourselves warm, okay? So this morning we are going to invite you to get your smile book, student's book, color blue with the white or sky. So this is your student's book. So we are going to use your student's book for your studying. Though we cannot go to school, though you cannot come here in school to study, so teacher Jeffrey is providing you a lesson so that you can continue to study in your home. Okay? So get ready. We are going to use your student's book. Okay, so before we will use the workbook, we have to use this student book, okay? So open your book to page lesson 2. Just open your book, lesson 2. So we will read these following words, okay? You have to listen first, and after I speak or read the words, you have to repeat. Okay, the first word, mammoth, mammoth. Next word, saber-toothed cat, saber-toothed cat. Next word, brachiosaurus, brachiosaurus. Next word, million, million. Next word, fur, fur. And the last word is plant, plant. Okay, so what animal is this? This is a mammoth, mammoth. How about this animal? What animal is this? It's a saber-toothed cat, saber-toothed cat. How about this animal? Is a brachiosaurus, is a brachiosaurus. And how about this picture? How much is this? This is million, million, 1 million. And how about this picture? This is a picture. What do you call this picture? Fur. This is a fur, fur. Next, how about this picture? It's a plant, plant. Okay, so you have to practice speak that words in your home. Okay, now number 2 of the same book, we will read these 3 facts about the animals. Okay, teacher Jeffrey is going to read first, and then you have to listen. After I read, you can read it. Number 1, this animal was on Earth about 145 million years ago. Its neck was long. It was about 15 meters tall. It weighed about 40,000 kilos. Its food was leaves of trees. Okay, so number 3, this animal lived in the Ice Age. Its fur was long. It was about 3 meters long and 4 meters tall. It weighed about 7,000 kilos. Its food was plants. Number 3. This animal was on Earth 1.6 million years ago. Its teeth were long. It was about 1 meter long and 2 meters tall. It weighed about 200 kilos. Meat was its food. Now look at this animal. A, what animal is this? And this one, what animal is this? Letter B and letter C. So you have to get your pen and choose which animal number 1. This animal was on Earth about 145 million years ago. Its neck was long. So which animal that its neck was long? So animal A, animal B, animal C. Now you choose the letter and write here inside the box. Okay? And next, number 2, you have to choose which animal. This animal lived in the Ice Age. So what do you think? Which animal lived in the Ice Age? Letter A, letter B, letter C. You choose the correct letter and write inside the box. And number 3, this animal was on Earth 1.6 million years ago. So which animal? A, B, or C? You choose the correct letter and write inside the box. Okay? Okay, so get your student workbook, color green. So this is your student's workbook. Turn your student's workbook to lesson 2. Lesson 2, page number 38. So get your student's workbook, color green, lesson 2, page 38. So you have to, in lesson 2, find the words, 7 words about animals. So you have to find 7 words about animals. So if you find 7 words, so you have to circle, okay? You have to circle. For example is what do you see in this puzzle? So what can you see in this puzzle? So what animal? So if you see the lion, you have to circle, okay? Lion, you have to circle. Okay, this is the example. So you have to find another 6 words about the animals, okay? So that's my example. Now you have to find the rest of the words, okay? Now, for your homework, for your writing homework, answer workbook at page 38. Page 38. Okay, this is a translation of the English instruction. And for your speaking homework, make a video, read numbers 1 through 8 and send to the line. Okay, so this is your homework, reading homework. For example, number 1, the Brachiosaurus is on Earth 145 million years ago. So you have to read. You have to video yourself while you are reading. Number 2, the Brachiosaurus weight about 35,000 kilograms. Number 3, the Brachiosaurus eats 8 leaves. Number 4, mammoths were on Earth about 30,000 years ago. Number 7, mammoths lived in America. Number 6, mammoths were about 3 meters long. And number 7, the saber-toothed cat ate meat. Number 8, the saber-toothed cat weighed about 200 kilograms. So you have to read these numbers 1 through 8 and send to the line. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you students for listening, and have a good day. Always keep safe. Thank you. Bye bye.